Your top of the morning, ski. Top of the morning, y'all. Hopefully, having a great start of your morning, or whatever time y'all watching it, whether it's afternoon, evening, nighttime. Hopefully, overall, it's been great overall. Thank you, Lord, for waking us up today, so we can continue going after our dreams and all our goals, and allowing us to remain in your present. As always, it is Monday, back at it. New schedule's up, everything is up. Make sure that y'all go to the community post. It should be there. I believe we are not going to be trading Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday we're going to take it off because it is FOMC. So, as usual, FOMC, NFP, doesn't matter the time. We don't touch the market. All right, so also Sunday recap is already up, so make sure y'all check that out. I also have another video in terms of high resistant, low resistant setups that's up. Make sure y'all check that out. As always, let's get into the video. Like always, I do have NQ on my right, on my left, ES on my left. You can see we had gap into what? Discount. So we are in discount, pretty decent the gap in which we like, so pretty dope. And also we just reached sell side, which I had already marked up, so let's go ahead. And also the way you guys see the 930 opening range gap is by clicking all the way down to your right side, bottom right, and clicking regular trading hours. Usually you'll have it set up automatic as electronic trading hours, but for the 930 opening range gap, skips everything and it goes from yesterday's close to last week close to today open at 9:30 will be regular trading hours. All right, put that bad boy to the side. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that's hot. Anyways, did my daily. Have the daily time frame right here for NQ. Same thing as ES. We still have this daily inverted FEG that is still valid. We just happen to be trading below it, and this is where we currently are. Hourly, we just reached sell sign. Yep, on both of them, but it happened to be. Let me see. Did it? What time did it? No. Okay. So ES has she went below it. Actually, let me just put it next together. Might as well. You guys can see for ES, we happened to do it at 5 a.m. and we just did it around 9 a.m. So pretty good, pretty dope. Right now, you can see that we have first thing that we did was a rally into a hourly for NQ. Go ahead and mark that up. Change the color of that in a bit. Let's do high. Is it 35? Yep. 57. Like I mentioned, if we are gonna go higher, we're gonna be paying attention to these newly opening gap. news in it because we have no news today, or high impact news. 750. So we just having that marked up. I'll do the same thing here for ES. Perfectly. $84.25. Current below. And current below. Alright. Let me also mark up, even though we don't have, you know, the same here as a rally up higher, we do have one below, which is right here. We did run into it around 7, merging in New York open. What is the low of this candle? 65 3/4. What is the high of this candle? 61 2/4. Have that mark up. There we go. Below as well. Oops. All right, so we did reach the sell side and we gap into discount. We still are in this current range, right? Even though we swept below it, we still in it, right? So we still trading in it. So I know that going any higher, it's gonna be high resistant. But if it does, I'll be reaching for these new week opening gaps up here, right? So just see what we get. Alright, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be removing some of these stuff out because it is on the 15. You guys can see after we went below it, we did retrace back into it around 7 and then have that displacement going lower. So I'm just gonna leave that on the 15. As per usual. That here, even though it's invalid, but we did create a Sibby in there, so just gonna leave that. Good for homework. Good for homework, you know. 9:30 swept on south on buy stops. Same thing here. GG. Google. We do have a small little area in here. She just wants to go ahead and move in. It's really small, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Still digging deep into discount. As you know. Alright. Got 15 minutes on 10 a.m. on to 10. 10. 10. She does continue lower. I did mention that I would like to see a dip into here, which would equalize to these guys running out, these outside, and possibly even digging in here. Who knows? Even though we did get in discount, and ideally we would be looking for, you know, a push up. That push up basically will be towards the inside, or basically to fill the whole 930 opening range gap. All right. But like I said, if she does do that, then I'll expect her to run into these new week opening gaps. But we're gonna see. What I'm gonna do is also I'm gonna mark up these lows, because this is the end of this current leg. What is the low? What is the 18 and was it a quarter? Indeed. So let's go up. Oops. I'm so glad that my freedom hasn't been so what I done. As a goodness and mercy and the power of the blood. This is the time where you just wait. Boring. 90% boring. 10% is action. Still working on the website, y'all. One of the things that I'm more excited about is that I'm gonna be sharing like my study case that I, have been doing. But you're only gonna be able to see from 2023, because I discovered notation in 2023. That's when I started using it, and then everything else is in a flash drive. I used to use Microsoft. I don't know if y'all used to use Microsoft. That's how I used to do my back testing, study case brief. So I have those files in there, but I'm not sharing those. Just for myself and growth. Myself and growth. Alright, so I did like how they just went below these lows. Still pushing low. There's Brick Nation in my room. I ain't gonna caps. Do we have anything else in there to fill if she does? Indeed. What is the high of this candle here? 63. And here 60. Oh, by 0.2 points. Oh, point. Is it 63.0? Yeah, it is. And this is 62.2 quarters. So basically 0.50. Yeah. And he's at the upper quadrant of it, which is pretty dope. Okay, how about here? Besides all this we already ran into, we still have a little bit more if she does want to push into that 1 hour. But we do have a little bit here if she does want to make a push. And we just entering NY micro. You just entering micro. Oh yeah, we lit. Lit. Micronation. Yes, so here. Oh man, now we entering that area. I should have hold on a little bit longer. little bit longer, man. Still not even at the 50% of it. Yeah. I think that sweat below here. So who knows? Maybe take these highs out, come back. Gives another push higher. And I understand though that we do push a little higher, it's gonna be resistant. Like 9 more minutes. Let me see, because sometimes they be updating the economic calendars. Okay. Let me see if I added it and put these. A little bit beneath. Interesting. Okay. Don't need much here. Yeah, we continue to push lower. It's okay. Some base what I done isn't goodness or mercy. I'll highlight these. Let's see highlight 73.50, 95.50. $39.50, 37.50. Oops. $47.50. 39. Oh, so they're both the same. Okay. So I guess they good. Ain't gonna lie, I thought my mic was off for a second. I'm like, oh no. Oh yeah. Oh no. Got 4 more minutes. Let's see how we go about it. Oops. Deep in discount. Deep in discount. Still waiting. Close to these area here, which is almost the end of this leg. You have another one afterwards. This 5 minute in here. After this one, we're gonna form. So it's 10 already. So let's just see now. See, you want to just continue going down lower. I don't see anything yet right now for us to, yeah. Still pushing lower. Coming down to the area we mentioned about. Yo, why's my phone going crazy, bro? Oh, pliable. That is a good spot. That is a good spot. We don't want to have Dun, dun, dun. Maybe like a sweep on the sell side and retrace back up, not all the way. And if she does all the way, you'll do it part by part. Like you'll go after these highs and this one, then into this inefficiency, into this new week opening gap. Like I said, let's see, because after these sell side right here that we are reaching, I want to see if we get some sort of retraction. And then here too, and then a little bit dive into here maybe. Just gonna have to find out. You're just gonna have to wait and see. Wait and see. Yes, I see, you know. Ooh, I know yawning is contagious, so. Watch out. Better reach the south side for these guys. Wait, what? 0675. Yeah, that's better. Had it marked up just a little bit off. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Bruh. Just waiting, man. Just waiting. It's only been 5 minutes though into our trading hours. Paying attention at ES to see if these get taken out. Oh Lord, thank you for everything. Yes, waiting, yo. Honestly speaking. I do like this, right? So then we have some in here too. Getting close to that area. Let's see. Vamos a ver, vamos a ver. Does it do it? Does it do it or does it not? Insane already. Is this old previous inefficiency? Inverted inefficiency. 1 hour. Trading, bro. They say it is 10% action, 90% waiting. It feels like 100% waiting most of the time. Most of the time, y'all. Most of the time. So overall, we did reach the first area we had, which was to the south side. Yeah, I mentioned it on the Sunday recap. So make sure y'all check that out. Just waiting to see what type of reaction we're gonna get once we reach here to the south side, if we do, which is the end of the hourly leg that we are in, which is from this high to this low for ES. She's just now reaching these right here, but she's still currently inside as well. Who knows? Let's see. But we are getting close though. See, it's getting taken out. Muy close. That'd be insane if she doesn't take it out of how close she did. Looking at it from the 1 minute so I could just have a better view of it. Moments. No. Still playing. You still playing, fool? Yo, this is crazy, bro. I can't even lie to you. I need to get one of them like it's like a meditation ball, something, or whatever it is. Cause you get low-key, not anxiety, but it's like I start moving a lot. You know what I mean? This is why I need to get another chair, another comfortable chair. Even though this one is comfortable, but I know there's better chairs out there. This chair been through it a lot. I don't know if you guys can hear it, man. Like, it feels like it needs W40 or something. Plus the size is a little. Oh, not that bad. Oh, actually, yeah, it's crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I went to a CVS and I seen this right here. So I was like, yo, I might as well get it. Manifestation, you know what I'm saying? A nice Aventador. It's pink. I mean, it's a fire color though, but it's definitely in our vision board. And yeah, you know what I mean? Even though we have a Huracan in the back of our screen, which is definitely a must go to as well, but we couldn't find a Huracan, so we found an Aventador, which they are overrated as well. Y'all know they ain't gonna be making more Aventadors. On peace to them. So yeah, that's a car that's gonna go up on value. Had to get that joint, you know what I'm saying? And like the whole thing goes up. I don't know if you can see it. Like you can literally, the door goes up. It's so fire. Like I had a when I first bought it, I'm like, why does the door open like a normal car? But then I fully opened it and it went back up, and I was like, oh, that's how it does it. I'm confused. I'm like, isn't it Aventador has butterfly doors? Or I'm bugging. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Am I bugging? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe so, maybe yo. Alright, so we got 11 minutes into our trading hours. Still patiently waiting to see. We have 1, 2, 5 minute that we are looking at. We just ran into this 5 minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark that up. Just run into this 5 minute. Let's do that. Let's mark that up. What is the high? What's the low in here? 94. And the high of this 70, 25. Below. The same thing for yes. What is the low? I can't even see it. I think that says 20. Yep. And be high 14. Now expand that and put a current below. You can see both of them just jabbed into it. Alright. So let's just wait now. See. I know going lower, it's gonna be a nice low resistance. So let's just see if now, being so that we are deep in discount, who knows, get the push to retrace back into this candle here. Who knows? Let's see. I don't expect it to go all the way high, so I will be even okay if she doesn't even run into the new week opening gap doing this session. She'll do it maybe in the PM session or going towards the going from New York lunch to PM. Who knows? Maybe they'll continue lower. Very, very tricky, but this is trading. Very tricky, very tricky. Still late, still patiently waiting for something to, you know, like an aggressive displacement to let me know what way does he really want to expand to. Again, this is the low of the current leg. You just jab one more time into the 5 minute. This is a nice leg. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is a nice low resistance leg, which still be a good amount if she does retrace even back into here, and then who knows, continue going down lower. But again, I'm just trading what I get, you know, whatever is shown to me. So we just went and swept below these cells in here. So Does it maybe want to expand, get into here? Who knows? Maybe so. Just gonna have to wait and see. Currently, we are getting to the end of this leg that we're currently in. Very close. There she goes. Jab right onto it. Right onto it. Let me look at the 5 minutes. How we looking? Come. Right into it. Alright, she's still dipping. Still no form of entrada. They had a sweep on here. This is where it becomes tricky though too, because we are inside this area here, right, which is a inverted FEG. We just saw below these lows and deep in discount, but have, you know, price low resistance going lower. And like I said, even on these current area in here, push up, she could still do it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark up these lows just in case she wants to expand. Where's the low? 46 3/4. I don't know how I can see that. Don't ask me. I just can't. I got the vision. Still patiently waiting, seeing what we get. Do see here, again, the sell stop that we got ran. The price still running away. Got 5 minutes of this candle. I mean, excuse me, 1 minute of this 5-minute candle. I'm gonna do this real quick. This is a 5-minute in here. That is at the low quadrant of this leg. This side got marked up. 600. 800. So if she does decide to push any lower, then we will know as to where. Right? I'm gonna go ahead and take this out real quick. Am I far away? Only 2 points. Not the best, but let's see. Let's keep an eye on it though.
do understand where I'm standing in terms of price, so I'm just taking these sales just to see. And I do have a very tight stop loss. So I'm clocking in just to see how we are in terms of each candle. That's exactly what I'm doing just in case. We have 1, 2, and then we have a third candle up, so paying attention to each candle as it forms. Alright. Yes, I do have a stop loss automatically in here. I wanted to see if she continued going lower even though we are deep in discount. So, alright. So that one got taken out. Alright. I'm gonna let that one ride for now. Patiently just waiting. See what we get. Because we did already run into the 50% as well. When we came into there, so we was waiting to see. We just run into this another 5 minute in here. So I'm just gonna mark up now again too. What is the high? No. 25. I take this one off. This is the 5-minute, right? Is it? Yes. Yeah, it is. Oops, wrong. One. Gonna do a drop from here again. What you thinking? What is it? You just jab into here. And like I said, I wanted to see if you continue pushing lower. And you just took me out. Because I'm my stop loss. So, not the greatest. But we're not chasing it. If she does continue, we're going to have to just wait for another setup. Or just wait. Because right now it's just, much deep in discount. All right, what you want to do? Speak or forever hold your peace. Huh? What you want to do, girl? Talk to me. You gonna continue going lower, or you gonna go higher from discount? If you go higher from discount, you have some in here that you can go ahead and balance out. You know. But you need to show some displacement in this area. Otherwise, I'm gonna look at you as still going lower. Looking at these lows that it's making. Same thing for yours. Bro. Wait, what? 50, alright, that's good. That's crazy. It'd be instantaneously when you be placing these blocks on ES. It's like perfect. So we got another dip at this 5-minute. What we doing? What is she doing? Huh? Are you gonna go back up from what we mentioned? Because if you are, then I'll go ahead and say maybe she could go ahead and dip into that new week opening gap. Because we do have some momentum we could build up from here. But she's still jabbing off this 1 minute. Same thing here. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Interesting. All right, what I do is we got this whole 5 minute in here that we gotta mark up here as well, which could become huge. 187.75, and then the low being 207.25. You guys can see that we're currently in it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this color. I'm gonna put it like red or something like that. They're all 5 minute. It's just that this one is a 1 hour. A lot of lipstick, I know. I know. I also know if she continue going down lower, what's the deal? Close below here, and then continue possibly to go lower, which then gonna confirm that we're gonna go ahead and reach for these. So inefficiency and then liquidity, which would then means that we're not gonna get the fill on the 9:30. But we still playing around this 5 minute, bro. Like, it's like you go to sleep, like literally, like. I could literally fall asleep. See, start showing you guys my action figures collection that I have, like literally on here. Like, shit. Starting with Cosmo and Wanda. Facts. Like, come on, bro. See, this is what I'm saying, that I need like one of these chairs you could just pull back, and then it has like the bottom, what you might call it, the bottom thingamajiggy, where you just like leg rest as soon as you go back. Boop. One of those. You're watching it like Netflix. Okay, we had another rejection of that area. And into the 5 minute. Okay. Funny thing is that look what we at right now for NQ and ES. In the 5, above a 1. Like, yo, seriously, bro, you could fall asleep with all this shit going on. All right, what we talking now? What language you gonna be speaking? All right, now we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go higher from discount.
Is that what we doing? Oh nah. What in the thingamajiggy? Oh man. I wish it would have aligned with itself too, bro. It looked good, but it's like nice push from here. I'll take this. Who knows? It's trying to be in sync. And it's going back. On a 3-minute too. Didn't give a rejection. It's closed on a 5 too. It's very tricky today. Let's see what we do from there. So it'll be the last of the day right here, honestly speaking. I know we just ran into this 5 minutes soon, so it's gonna be very tricky. And also a large trade too, depending on if we at least break even. And the close of this one, I'm gonna move my everything to break even. Just wait and see what we got. Wait and see. I was looking at it from this close of this candle plus up to 5 minute, which got wicked off from here.
Just see what we get, bro. Just hope she just high all the way up into here when ES gets to this 5 minute. It's very tricky today. Looking at this tool in here, how do we even close? Oh man. Oh man, what's going on, man? Alright. Yep, I don't like it. Not one bit. Nope. Not one bit, Julio. So we might end up closing our position early. Yes. Alright, yep, it just hit it. I don't like it. Man, I'm like I said, it's mad tricky today, bro. From this count all the way, it's mad tricky today, bro. So freaking tricky. It is mad tricky today, bro. But I really can't wait until we get out of this range, though. Once we get out of this range, hopefully we get some sort of momentum being formed, being built, whatever it is. But yeah, it's mad tricky, bro. Literally traded to and through this 5 minute whenever it wants to load. Look at that. And then look what we have back again. Literally the whole goal is for me to withdraw out of these accounts, current challenge that I'm going after, so I could get out my personal account, because I went from trading almost every day to like trading like once a week. Like last week I only traded like one time, and these challenges is like you get like a whole month and then you gotta pay them again, and usually I take my time with these, so it's like it makes no sense for me to go ahead and keep paying monthly for them. But it's just like literally I'm just mad calm, and I don't like to like overdo things. I was thinking about that too over the weekend. I was like, yo, unless I get at least like a payout like 1,500 or something like that. Start trading micros, 2 or 3 micros. And just go out from there. Just build an account like that. Like that, I could go ahead and take my time. You know what I mean? Not go crazy. Just take my time, you know? Cause they ain't no joke, brother, man. Alright, so I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take it up. I'm gonna take, you know. I'm gonna take this one on too. I trade it right below it. I'll sell off from here. I don't wanna really sell low from there. She could have just done it from like literally right here, but she didn't want to do that. What time is it? Yeah, like 13 more minutes, bro. Good job. Just marking these tools. I can just look at it in the lower time frame, see what in the world. Alright. Let's see, this is my last one. After this, bro, I'm shutting everything off. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna shut everything off because this is insane, bro. I'm not doing this shit. Just full around bullshit. At least to like break even our day today. See if she wants to now potentially even run. Oops. Alright, so we just entered 1050 micro. Let's see if we get some sort of push now. Something. Maybe 100 points. Basically right here. to at least respect this candle here. So again, I don't think the market. I don't control the market. Got about like 7 more minutes. Need some baloney. Baloney. Got me out of that brother, man. It's like nothing, bro. You can't make this shit up, bro. You can't make this shit up. Like I'll be lying to you if I tell you I'm making this shit up. Like I will be definitely lying to you, bro. If you think I'm making this shit up. You just cannot make this shit up. Alright, I'm about to log out. Let me see. As soon as they hit my thing, I'm gonna reach out your message and I'm out, cause you just can't make this shit up, bro. I don't. You can't. You cannot make. Look at that. We got 1, 2, 3 bullish candles. So you definitely don't want to see that. I'll tell you that for a fact. You don't want to see consecutive candles like that if you're taking the opposite direction of the market at all. Alright? You can't. It is how it be. How it be. Alright. A little bit higher. I thought it did. Guess we still in it. Okay. Guess we still in it. Just wait and see. Was it 34? Oh, it was a 35. That's why. Okay, alright, I'll fix that. Alright, let's see. We still currently in it, brother, man. You got like 2 minutes of this candle. Two more minutes. Yeah. No. Okay. Understand, Captain. I understand. I understand. All right, so it just hit my stop loss. I'm out of here, brother, man, because this shit is ass. Like ass. Funny thing is that I have the my shit like right here, and it has not taken me out. But for TraderBot, it has taken me out. I don't know. Whatever. I don't give a f. It is what it is. I'm gonna reach out. Message of the day is Monday, day 64. It says we can never bring anything to us unless we are grateful for what we have. In fact, if someone was completely and orderly grateful for everything, they will never have to ask for anything because it would be given to them before they even ask. That is the power of gratitude. As always, I'm gonna highlight you guys because they ain't really much. We got smoked 3 times, and we low key violated one of our rules, which is if the second trade after the first loss is not a win, we could take the second one, but the second one needs to be a break even on us for to take the third one. So we took 3 trades. It is what it is. Took 2 shorts and then a buy, and you guys can see the buy wasn't even clipping. So the buy was because we was in discount, and then the 2 short is because it was low resistant going down lower. All right, so I'm gonna use this today to back test because practice make perfect. As always, 5 P's: proper preparation prevent poor performance. Like my mama always say, be the first one in the room and the last one to leave. Use that with every single thing you guys do in life. Don't rush the process, and yeah, just stay focused. Right? Appreciate y'all present. Hopefully you have a blessed, beautiful day. As always, I'm gonna holler at y'all.